everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is April, and in this episode of Thrifted Transformations, I'm going to show you how to transform a pair of regular elastic waistband pants and turn them into these awesome paper bag shorts with a waist tie. These are perfect for spring right now and summer, and depending on the colors and the different patterns and material that you guys find, I think it will look cute in anything. For sure, I think the best material to use it with is something a little more heavy, just so it can look like that structured paper bag, like scrunched up kind of look. Before we get started, I wanted to say thank you to Wix for making today's video possible. Wix is an online platform that allows you to build professional looking websites. You don't need to have any experience because they have hundreds of templates for you to choose and start from. So we've been working on the official Coolirpa website, and we're super excited to share with you guys. Basically, I want this website to be a space where you guys can access more information about my tutorials that I did not go into details with. Thanks to Wix, we were able to create a website to help build our business and our personal brand. I wanted my website to be more like blog style, but I also wanted to have an online shop. We designed it so the homepage is a simple intro to Coolirpa and who I am, and then you can navigate to whatever page you want to go to. For the blog, we chose a template that allowed us to write paragraphs and then drop in pictures to help explain things better. The editing is all drag and drop, which makes it easy to move things around and customize it to your liking. This is all still a work in progress, so we would appreciate it so much if you guys checked out our website and let us know if there's anything we should change or add to make this a great experience for everyone. If you want to get started on your website, you can click the link down in my description box or simply go to wix.com/go/Coolirpa to get started on your website today. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started. These are the style pants you want to use for this transformation. For the best results, try to choose a pair with a bottom weight like denim or khakis. It should also have an elastic waistband, and pockets are definitely a plus. I found these for only $5 from the thrift store. The first thing I did was remove the elastic band from the waist. This is what the pants look like without the elastic. The legs are just a little too wide and baggy, so I'll be taking them in a little bit, and while wearing them, I also mark how short I want them to be. Cut the pants into shorts. And now the way I'm going to taper in the shorts is by keeping the size of the waist, but gradually taking in about an inch from the bottom. If you found pants that already fit nicely, you don't have to do anything. Next, I resized the elastic to fit at my high waist and overlap the ends and sew them together. Now we can resew the elastic back into the waist, but instead of folding the waist of the pants over to enclose the elastic, I just hem the top of the shorts with a narrow hem, and will be stretching and sewing the elastic an inch below the hem to create the paper bag look. I sewed along the top of the elastic, stretching while I sew, and then go back and stretch and sew along the bottom of the elastic. If you want a taller ruffled look on top, you can just move the elastic band a little lower and sew it there, but I just sewed mine where the elastic originally was. Evenly trimmed the bottom of the shorts, and I left enough to create a 1-inch hem. Next, the paper bag needs a tie at the waist, so using the pant legs I cut off earlier, I marked out a 2-inch waist belt, but it's going to be 3 inches including seam allowance. Also, I cut it on fold, so there's only one side I need to sew down. I cut 3 of these pieces out for the waist belt and pieced them together diagonally to avoid having bulky seams. Sew all the pieces together so it's one long piece, and then you can fold the belt in half and sew the open side closed. I also sewed the ends of the belt at an angle. Turn the belt inside out and edge stitch around all the sides for a sharper look. Lastly, I created some belt loops by cutting a strip that was 2 inches wide and folding the raw edges to the middle and then folding the strip in half. Then just top stitch the open side closed. Next, I cut the strip into 3-inch pieces and attach them to the shorts by folding the ends under and top stitching them in place. I only did 3 loops, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. And I'm finished. Here is the final transformation.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I do. I hope you hear me through. No, I was bad for.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope some of you try this DIY out. It was actually pretty simple, so I think you guys can do it. If you guys want more information on this, I'm gonna write a little blog on my new website created by Wix. And if you guys want to create your own website today, click the link down in my description box or go to wix.com/go/Coolirpa to start your website today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!